reply, if I am doing hard work, there is no need to believe in the God. I believe my hard work, I will get result.
Still he has become the God, na? That's right. And today he is the inspiration for us.
And they are unable to do anything in their future because of believing in superstitious
Because
things.
So the person who worked day by day and toiled by night and dry books he read and knew something new to learn and forced ahead. He plodded on with faith and pluck, and he won. When he won, men called it luck. That is true. That is true. Men called it luck. It is possible कि it depend on luck. Yeah, it depend on his work. I want to say.
Did you understand that?
No, sorry.
It is not a story. It is a hypothetical, thought.
Yeah,
only.
hypothetical thought. Yeah, sir.
Don't-
Hypothetical.
Okay, relax, sir. The point is that if any,
If he didn't work, so that is possible कि he won.
see, the point is that
Yes.
if anything happens good, whatever happens for the best. So if the thing happens best, is it just because of God he's asking? And you are calling it luck. And is luck because of God?
Yeah.
Is luck because of God, you are asking? You said if someone worked hard and he won, and
Yeah. Men called it luck.
men called it luck.
Yeah.
Men call it.
Okay, the person who did it, who achieved it, he also called it luck.
Yeah.
He also called it luck. Huh?
They also. I'm asking you.
No, if you won,
I'm asking you-
if you become prime minister tomorrow,
Yeah.
you
That
will
is
call it luck.
That is
You
luck.
will call it
That is luck. That is luck.
Yes.
Sir,
Don't mention
Sir,
Prime Minister.
Okay, sir. If you won tomorrow, if you get success tomorrow, you will call it luck.
I'm
You
not
don't
saying
believe
luck.
in
I'm
yourself.
not
You
saying-
don't believe in yourself. You
Most
don't
of the
believe in
most
that
of the
you have done
most
hard
of the
work.
spiritual says that is done by luck. Most of the spiritual.
Yes.
Yeah.
When a good thing happens, they call it luck. So is luck because of God?
No, sir.
Is luck because of God? I don't think so.
Sir,
I don't think luck is because.
It depends on your hard work. If you didn't work hard,
Yeah, what? That's what I'm saying.
you didn't work hard, you can't win.
If you work hard,
Yeah.
can't win. He said can't. Okay. If you work hard, if you will work hard, then you will definitely achieve success.
Yeah.
That depends on your hard work, not on your luck.
So,
That's what I'm saying.
Why are again
If you had done hard work, God will provide
Why are
you
you
something.
Why are you again
God will
saying
provide you something.
why
He
are
will
you
not
saying
get.
Good thing happens because of hard work.
hard work? Yes, sir. Right? Because of hard work.
Okay, tell me one thing.
If you are not, sir.
Please.
You are not, sir. Sir, I'm telling you.
My
Sir, I'm
point
telling
is
you.
on
I'm
the
telling you,
heart.
sir.
My
Sir,
point.
I'm
Okay,
telling
you speak.
Sir, if you are not speaking well,
Okay.
if you are not learning
Okay.
well on the time,
Okay.
so how is
Okay.
it possible you are become successful?
I'm going to answer. Will you go back or not?
Yeah, sir. You can go. I can go.
Really? Are you lucky? Are
Yes,
you
sir.
lucky?
I'm saying-
Are you?
I'm
Are you?
100% saying
Are you
that is
lucky to be Indian? Are you lucky to be Indian?
I'm Indian.
Are you lucky to be Indian?
Not lucky. I'm not lucky.
Oh,
I'm not saying lucky. I'm Indian.
Are you proud to be Indian?
Yeah, I'm proud.
Are you lucky to be Indian?
I'm not lucky to be Indian. Because I didn't, sir. I didn't do. Actually, sir, I didn't do. Everything is on that time tick, so I can proud and I can location
Okay.
India.
1 second. One more
sir.
situation for you. रुक जाओ तो. This is the road. One truck is going.
Yeah,
Your bike is here.
yeah,
Fell down.
yeah.
And one more bike fell down. They died, but you did not die. Is this luck or not? By which hard work?
Did you got saved?
Incident.
By which hard work did you got saved?
It is accident.
Let him speak.
Sir, if what do you tell me? What you told me?
What
Yeah,
I told
yeah,
you?
yeah.
You tell what I
If,
told.
if you are going on a road, if there is a truck, your bike fell and someone's bike also fell. He died, but you got saved.
You got saved.
Is this your hard work?
Where is your hard work?
Where is your hard work in this?
So it is done by God.
Yeah, God saved you. God saved you. God saved you.
It is a
He
Yeah, sir.
forcefully he is standing.
Yeah, sir.
Forcefully you are standing.
Yeah, sir.
That is your deed. That is your deed.
So that
is your deed. No,
that
meaninglessly talking, senselessly
Sir,
talking about.
that is the accident. That is the accident. On that time, you are saying the.
Why are you
hypothetical
safe?
accident.
That is the question. Why are you safe?
Actually, sir.
Why are you safe?
I'm not lucky. That is depend on.
He doesn't have point, guys.
What kind of coincidence is this? खुद ही जा me.
If you are safe, this is good or not? Yes or no?
Yeah, this is
This is good.
This is
Where is hard work? Tell me.
Actually, sir, you are.
Taking decisions.
He said that every good thing happens because of hard work. He is safe. It is good thing.
Yes, sir.
Now where is hard work?
Yes.
Tell me, please. I want to know where is your hard work now.
Sir, it is not depend on luck. Sir, what? I think, sir.
Person, and this debate is going to be publicly, guys, right? You have to. People will ask question and you have to answer on the spot. Everybody is going to get only 20-30 seconds answering. One point you have to put and people will ask you.
God exists everywhere in everything, of course, and even human made by God, And my first question, human made by God, and my second question, who created the universe? Who created the universe? And my second question, a new baby produced. That time, mother like milk. Who generated the milk in human body? Who? Give answer me.
Sir, if everything is created by God, then if any accident happen, then we should say कि it is responsible. It is happened through God.
Sir, my
if
question
bad thing,
is that
sir, if bad
who
thing is
produced?
happened to I pray to God, I worship to God. कि it happened by God.
Please understand
If bad thing has happened, so we should also say कि it happened by God.
In human body, milk comes.
Of course.
It is just because of God.
Of course.
How?
Who gives?
There are lot of people are like who are not able to eat. God tell God keep them like milk.
The body not generated that time. Human body not milk, of course, but the baby generated, and after that, who gives the milk in human body? Who created the milk, and who created the words? Who created the world? Of course, we. And how the our earth like in same point like rotated? How? Who can rotated?
Oh, I know problem. Please sit down. Next person, please.
Yes, I am atheist. Why I am atheist? The pain, the poverty, the disease, the surrounding problem make me atheist. Why? Why I am not believing in God? Because God is not listening me. God is unheard to me. God, when I say something, God, please solve this problem, I become so irresponsible to solving this problem. So let us don't believe in God. Believe in yourself. Solve your problem yourself. Why you are bow down to your God and give him proposal to accept my problem and solve it? It make you just irresponsible person. A atheist person is a courageous person, a responsible person, a person of the have reasoning thought that I am atheist and I know the world will develop by to being atheist. Atheist person is not mean, atheist person not mean a bad conduct person. Atheist person can be a human being. Your consciousness, your rightness come from your consciousness, not by your fear of God. Your subconscious mind tell you what is wrong, what is right. You are not doing something wrong because of God. You are a lazy person. You are a fearful person. Become a courageous person and follow your subconscious mind. What is right, what is wrong, and do what you want to do. There is no need to being a atheist person.
Exactly, yes, of course.
So anyone have question? Then
And
ask.
in addition to this point, many people are really, superstitious. They have blind faith and they are unable to do anything in their future because of believing in superstitious
Because
things.
they become irresponsible to their act. To take responsibility of your life, all the problem, all the situation created by only human being. So you are only responsible to
that she is completely blank, sir. She has not mind that what have to say and what have to not say. If you are saying that God not exist, if God is not exist, it means whole country, whole world is full. It means they are doing worship, they are doing Chhat Puja.
She is talking about superstition here. Because of unnecessary belief, many people are not focused on their responsibilities. Yes. And you are saying that God is not existing.
I want to give one example.
First of all, understand.
Exaggerating, you know, God is a power, God is a energy, okay, and energy is a God, and you need to understand that
If God is power, what is happening in Pulwama? Where is God? When the firing, where was the God?
hello,
Where-
miss, I'm saying I'm trying to
No.
make you understand
You
again
are
and
saying-
again, but she is not able to
Ma'am,
make you
why-
make oneself
Ma'am,
understand.
The people who are murdered by the terrorists, they are not believing in God. They are not the believer of the God. Where was the God? When the attack was happening in Pulwama, when attack was happening in Puri,
It means everybody is wrong. It means a fighting pin for own right, but some people have wrong mindset. But what we all can do, we all are there for it means a fighting. We all have it means, sir. And
they are not giving proper answer. Please, I'm not satisfied.
Garima, you say.
I was on superstition. I want static answer on superstition.
And I want correct explanation about the God. What the work of the God? And where is God?
Okay.
Give me a proof. Give me a proof. I will accept. I will bow down to your feet.
Okay, let me answer. As she's told me that before some time that when you are believing in God, you are becoming careless to your work. See, nobody is saying that believe that on God will not give you result. God will only pay back you when you do hard work. See, I'm just from very beginning, I was telling that God only pay to them who are doing right work, and who are not doing wrong, who are doing wrong work, they are getting all that. So God is only helping those people who are helping themselves, and that belief, she's saying that the belief is not going to make you that IS officer, but when you believe that today you don't want to study, one bhajan can let you study. It can make you positive, can make you believe. Your thought will definitely started in the good soul. When here also like this, in this,
Please.
okay, in this one ajan or one bhajan will, if I play here, you will be in the relaxed mode. You will be starting observing so positive vibes, and that energy is more and more thousand better than any science and any gravity.
Can I reply? If I am doing hard work, there is no need to believe in God. I believe my hard work, I will get result. And
Everybody is doing hard work. Everybody is doing hard work.
Responsible. And second point, you are saying that one bhajan create environment for study. Look, Bhagat Singh was in jail in the last time of his hanging, and one jailer came and say, Bhagat, what do you want to write now? Bhagat Singh was replied that I just want to finish 2 pages of this Bhagavad Gita before hanging. What was the situation of jail? There is only any music for the Bhagat Singh reading? Yeah. No, Bhagat Singh was so confident, and Bhagat Singh know that life to be too short, but it should be too long remember by the people. Bhagat Singh was so young age, and 23-year-old man was so intellectual and so ready person, and so intellectual. He was believing on the reading. He was ready. Bhagavad Gita. He was reading last step. Yes. Bhagavad Gita is not the dharmic book. Bhagavad Gita talking about your deed. Bhagavad Gita talking about your karma. Bhagavad Gita talking about, it is not religion related. Krishna was a human. Let me complete. Not written by God.
Is not Bhagavad Gita all written by God? Is not proving the belief. Sir, right now, how can you say that it's not? It's the proof of God, sir. It's the existence of God. It's a proof. It is clearly mentioned than that.
What?
Bhagavad Gita and each line it is mentioned. It is a proof of that
It
existence
is
of God.
supernatural book. It is supernatural book.
No, Garima, you're wrong here. If I believe something as it is God, who are you to just rectify me and deny that? For me, Neha is my Didi. I will worship, for example. She is God for me. Maybe she has done something good for me. I will consider her God. Like, Sonu Sood has done so many good things for the people and he has been considered as the God.
You yourself accepting that the good did make a person God, not the existence of the God. Good did make you God. Good
That's
did-
fine, yeah.
Who
Exactly.
did make God, but
it
they had. So it means he is believing that God is there. Krishna was there still.
What is
Ram
Krishna?
was there.
Human. Krishna was human. His good did make.
So still he has become the God now. That's why. And today he is the inspiration for us. This is the only reason.
Right now.
She is believing also and she is not believing.
I'm not believing. I am giving reasoning. I am giving
Okay,
reasoning.
according to what is God then?
Huh?
What is God?
God is not exist.
What is Sonu Sood then? If someone has
Sonu Sood-
saved me,
Sonu Sood is
if
good
someone
person.
has done good for me, I will consider him as a
Consider
God.
now. I'm
So,
considering
for
and
my,
accepting.
in
Sir,
my
considering-
dictionary, in
considering-
my definition of God is that only.
Sir,
Of course.
Your definition, by your definition, the world doesn't work. By your definition.
Must exist or not?
No. No gods exist, no God exists, only person karma exists. That's all.
She is very wrong.
All right, Chika, fine.
Anyone have any question?
Nobody has question, please. Everybody has to sit down. Thank you so much. But yes, in the last, the conclusion is that it's all about faith and belief. And faith is something that we, have to believe, even if there is no fact. But yes, in your heart, that you believe that, yeah, there is someone who actually may listen to you, who may pay you back, who may reward you, who may award you, who may really understand you. That is all about faith. Belief is something that there are some deeds, and because of that deeds, it is making you believe that, yeah, it is really having existence. So what I want to request you is that in living in India, we have to have this belief and we have to have this faith. Do worship or you don't worship, it is up to you, but respect all the religions. There may be God or not, I don't know, but yes, in my heart, if a person who is for humanity, he is really a true God, because God himself says that be for the people, be with the people, be by the people, be all the times with the people. So that is actually humanity. So humanity is actually the real God. Now Master is going to come here.